Hey Sam. I hope you're ready for another exciting word today.
Hi Alex. Absolutely, what's the word?
Today we're going to learn.
Gebiet.
This word means area or region in English.
Interesting. Are there other meanings for it?
Yes, it can also mean field in a more abstract sense, like field of study. The most common meaning is definitely area. Just be careful, because it sounds a bit like the English word gibberish, which can confuse you.
Got it. So, what's the grammar for
Gebiet.
Great question.
Gebiet.
Is a neuter noun, so it takes the article.
Das.
The plural form is.
Die Gebiete.
And remember, neuter nouns often end in,
Ment.
which can help you identify them.
That's helpful. Do you have examples of it in sentences?
Sure. In the present tense, you can say,
Das Gebiet ist groß.
meaning the area is large. In the past tense, you could say,
Das Gebiet war schön.
which means the area was beautiful. And in the perfect tense, you can say,
Ich habe das Gebiet besucht.
meaning I visited the area.
What about the imperative form?
The imperative isn't common with this noun since it's not a verb. But you could say,
Besuche das Gebiet.
meaning visit the area.
That makes sense. Where does the word come from?
Gebiet.
Has its roots in Old High German and Middle High German. The word originally meant to give or to grant. Over time, its meaning evolved to signify a specific area or region.
That's fascinating. I love learning about the history of words.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's break down the word.
Gebiet.
It consists of the root,
Geb.
which relates to give, and the suffix,
It.
which often indicates a noun.
So, it's like building blocks coming together.
Exactly. It helps to think of it that way. In this case, the meaning shifts from the act of giving to a designated area that is granted or recognized.
Are there similar words we should know?
Yes, there are quite a few. For example,
Gebietsreform.
is area reform where?
Reform.
Means reform. Another one is,
Gebietsplanung.
which means area planning. Then there's,
Gebietsschutz.
meaning area protection.
Those are great. What else?
How about,
Gebietsanteilung.
which means area division. And,
Gebietswasser.
Meaning area water. You can also consider
Stadtgebiet.
which means city area. Don't forget
Landgebiet.
meaning land area and
Wirtschaftsgebiet.
meaning economic area.
That's quite a list. Can we practice using
Gebiet,
in real-life situations?
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a tourist information center. You might start with
Wo ist das nächste Gebiet für Wandern?
which means where is the nearest area for hiking?
Okay, let me try. Wo findet das Gebiet für Radfahren?
Perfect. That's right. Another situation could be at a meeting discussing a project. You could say,
Wir müssen das Gebiet für die Studie definieren.
meaning we need to define the area for the study.
Got it. How about one more?
Sure. If you're talking to someone about your neighborhood, you might say,
In meinem Gebiet gibt es viele Parks.
meaning in my area, there are many parks.
That's useful. What about remembering the gender of
Gebiet,
Since it's neuter, you can associate it with the ending.
It.
A vivid image could be of a large area with a neon sign saying "Welcome to the neuter zone."
That's funny. I'll remember that. Any usage notes?
Yes,
Gebiet.
is quite neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Some typical phrases include
Das geografische Gebiet.
meaning the geographical area, or
Das wirtschaftliche Gebiet.
meaning the economic area. Just be careful not to confuse it with
Gegend.
which also means area but usually refers to a more specific place.
I see the difference. Can we have some example sentences?
Sure.
Das neue Gebiet ist sehr schön.
Means the new area is very beautiful. Another one could be
Ich habe in diesem Gebiet gearbeitet.
meaning I have worked in this area. And you might say
Das Gebiet wird geschützt.
which means the area is being protected.
Those are great examples.
One more could be
Wir haben das Gebiet erkundet.
meaning we explored the area. And finally,
Wo ist das nächste Gebiet für Freizeitaktivitäten?
meaning where is the nearest area for recreational activities?
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What's the gender of
Gebiet.
It's neuter, right?
correct? Can you give me the plural form?
die Gebiete,
Exactly. What does
Gebiet.
mean in English?
It means area or region.
Great. How do you say visit the area in German?
besuche das Gebiet,
Awesome. Lastly, where does the word come from?
It comes from Old High German and Middle High German.
Fantastic job, Sam. Today we learned that
Gebiet.
means area or region, and we explored its history and usage.
Thanks, Alex. This was really enlightening.
Remember, using these new words in your daily life will make them stick. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time.
I will. Looking forward to our next word.